Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a bit different because I'm going to bring you along on both the day before my graduation and on the day of my graduation. So on the day before my graduation, I did some preparations like repainting my nails to match my kebaya. And after that, I got ready to go out because I needed to attend my graduation rehearsal. And the makeup look that I'm doing here is quite similar to the one that I did in my previous video, so I'm just gonna link that video right here. And I would like to take this moment to remind you guys to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that I know you actually enjoy this kind of content. I didn't finish up with any lip product because I wanted to do that after lunch, and after lunch I decided to hit the road as soon as I possibly could so that I could avoid the heavy traffic. And despite the heavy traffic, I still managed to arrive on time and register myself. This is the venue in which the graduation ceremony is going to take place, and this is what the inside of the venue looked like. After the rehearsal, I and my friends decided to visit a food bazaar, but I didn't end up buying anything. Later on, we decided to sit in a restaurant and had a proper dinner. And of course, I forgot to show you how the food looked like when it first came. And after dinner, we decided to go gift shopping, but we didn't end up finding anything either. And inside the gift shop, I found this full body mirror, so I decided to show you my outfit of the day. I was wearing this pair of basic sneakers and this maxi batik skirt paired with a high neck black top. And I was also carrying this basic kind of round brown bag. Before I went to bed, I actually put on this sheet mask to prep my skin for the next day. On my graduation day, I actually woke up kinda early to have my makeup and hair done. This is how my hair and makeup look like. And these are my lovely seatmates. And after that, I got up to the stage.
Alice, Judicium Magna Cum Laude.
And after that, I took some pictures with friends and families. This is my kabaya, which I was totally in love with because it was exactly like how I envisioned it to be. So yeah, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope this video could be of some help or entertainment to you, and see you.